we started in I think 2 BHK room that was in Narayana. Initial days, I mean, we used to have lots of problem while hiring. Whenever the candidate comes, we used to take interviews on dining table. We have got lots of engineers who joined us at that stage and is still with us.
When I joined Covantis, we were probably around 15 people or less, and we were in Vishal Tower. And at that time, I think I just joined knowing, of course, Tarun and the idea of working in a small focused company. And that was enough for me to jump from a really big company, which I hated, to a small company that I loved and wanted to be a part of for a very long time.
I remember I was the fifth employee in Cointis, like when we started.
Actually, I want to change my last job due to some reasons, and I was looking for a good company where there is a good environment and good working culture, and yeah, in fact, a good salary also.
Working with Cointis is like having a fun. You get to learn so many things every day.
Talking about the work culture over here, it's awesome. I mean, you can learn infinite number of things in a given time. If you have appetite for learning, this is the best place to work.
I have learned many technologies here, like many technologies which were not at all part of my resume earlier, but now I can say that I know these many things after coming here in Covantis.
I found that is very interesting because every day someone will be searching for new technologies, or what is new in the market, what is the new trend in market, and they will come up with some PPT or some POC and they will present it to others.
I was a very introvert person. They have helped me how to be an extrovert, to get into the teams and have an interaction with other team members. And now I can go to CEO's office and say anything I want to say. And
I have got a chance to face clients at times. This is something that I haven't got in my previous experience.
If I speak about Vivek, my current lead, he is like a mentor to me. I mean, he motivates people to, study.
I am really lucky to have those mentors, Hiren Sharma, then Vivek Rajan, Shalvika, and who has made me what I am now.
And I have learned a lot of things from Tarun and how to turn the page that I have learned from him.
Covantis has been one of those places where appreciation comes very easily, where from anyone and everyone, especially like I said, comes from the top very easily, and it is shared with everyone across the board.
We have lots of fun over here. We have a group which goes to eat every week. So main our focus is on whether we should eat vegetarian or non-vegetarian.
If you are foodie, you don't have to say anything. So it's in our DNA.
Usually we do the beer party, right? We used to see, okay, Tarun is not in the office, let's order the beer.
There is an interesting thing called hot seat where newly joined employees are getting introduced to end-to-end this thing. I still remember that embarrassing moment of hot seat. I don't know what I spoke that time, but it's really memorable. And my team members say jokes, and that too in Hindi, and that is very hard for me to understand. And whenever I ask them what's the meaning of that joke, or can you translate that in English, they will actually kill that joke.
Moreover things, whatever I found here are very, 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 very good. That's why I'm here, otherwise I would have left this company.
In past 3 years, what I have learned till now is just because of Covantis.
It was really nice working with all the teams in Covantis, and I'm hoping that it will continue for a longer period.
Company Covantis, I guess the culture is great, and the work, the technologies where we're working, and that's amazing. I mean, all the latest recent technologies working.
So many of us doing the right things along the way. And I think for me the bigger thing is that जिन लोगों के साथ ये शुरुआत करी थी, उनमें से practically all of them are still here today.
You can see so much passion in Tarun in the day one, and since then he has been doing a great job.
This journey has been very emotional to me. At that point of time, at least I never thought that we would grow this big. As I grow, I think it's about the team's contribution rather than individual. So each and every team member is responsible for completion.
Then you wake up in the morning and today I can do something different. I have the power to do something different which could affect and change things around. I'm not just a mere cog in the wheel. I'm not just going there to do what has been told me to do. I can and I will make a difference. I think that just gives you so much more reason to just jump out of bed every day and